The Valley News Live Storm Team has issued a first alert weather day.
Good morning. We've got more active weather going on this morning and more to come that's heading our way. So we've got a lot to talk about. First of all, those severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. First one is in the Wilkin, Richland, and Otter Tail County areas. Right now centered in the Wilkin County region here at this point in time. But you can see there are a lot more warnings, flash flood warnings going on in the area. And now just outside of our viewing area, that other storm that's been pushing out here. So let's focus in on this warning here in Wilkin County. Likely producing 1-inch diameter hail in that heart of Wilkin County right now. And this storm is moving to the east-northeast at about 30 miles per hour, moving northeast at 30 now. And we have quarter-size hail likely indicated within this storm, but also some very heavy rain. And we know we've had all sorts of trouble with that rain since last night with those flash flood warnings. We've got one in effect in green here. I'm just going to point to it in Fergus Falls and then north of Fergus Falls and then into more parts of Otter Tail County. And we've got this next storm moving right over some of those same areas that may have seen already up to 8 inches of rain according to the radar estimates. So this is intense. And then on top of that, we've got the hail, a lot of lightning associated with this one too. So just taking away all of those warnings and alerts here, you can see the radar indicating that we've got some heavy rain and likely some hail in those areas where we're seeing some purple on the map. And so we're looking at just to the northeast of Breckenridge now, up toward the Rothsay area. And this is moving northeast. I'm going to put this into motion here so we can see what's going on with this storm because it will eclipse southeastern parts of Cass County. I'm going to move over a little bit so you can see where Fargo is next to our first alert logo. And so this is going to lift northward into southern Clay County and also over toward Pelican Rapids. Going to see this move in and then up toward Becker County as well if this continues. So we're looking at hail and very heavy rain for that area. The warning in effect until 5 a.m. More areas of heavy rain in southeastern parts of Otter Tail moving out of the viewing area at this point in time. And we've got those flash flood warnings for, again, parts of Otter Tail County. Quieting down up north, but we still have flash flood warnings in effect for some of those areas there that saw the heavy rain last night. And more rain coming our way. Look at this storm system that's going to be impacting us. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more. We've got severe storms associated with it. And this one also going to be a concern for severe weather. Here's the area in blue. That's the watch box, and it includes the James River Valley here this morning until 8 a.m. So going to be wanting to watch that area over the next couple of hours if you're in that region. So that's the next one to watch. In between, there's dense fog. We have a dense fog advisory and visibility down to 0 in Langdon, Cooperstown, Valley City, and surrounding areas. So lots of trouble out there. And checking a look at our weather alerts beyond again, the areas where we're dealing with the rain and thunder, this dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning, and it does include the Grand Forks area. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. We're going to watch those storms. Our model not really handling the fact that they're hanging around this morning. We're going to watch them hang around. We may see this next system that we're watching to the west catch up with this line that's been very stubborn here this morning. And you can see that we may have some wind gusts associated with it that could be damaging as it races through. By 10 a.m. in the heart of eastern North Dakota, blasting over the Red River in the noon hour, and then continuing beyond into the 5 o'clock hour. And that's when it starts to clear the valley. We'll still have some lingering areas of rain and thunder, but overall it will start quieting down as we head into the nighttime hours for tonight. But it's going to be a rough go of it here through the daytime hours today. Here's a look at your severe storm risk. Everybody under some type of risk, some places in an enhanced risk here as we continue on today. Your 7-day planner. Of course, today a first alert weather day, no surprise there. And then check out the weekend. We just have to get through today. The weekend's looking great. Temperatures into the 70s. Saturday, can't rule out an isolated shot of little rain lingering, but overall it's looking quiet. And Sunday looks fantastic too.
Today, keeping our weather department very busy. Lisa, thank you very much.